Navigating the world of trading platforms can be both exciting and daunting, especially for those eager to dive into the financial markets. As of February 20th, 2025, a variety of popular trading platforms offer unique features and cater to different types of traders. However, it's crucial to understand that just signing up for one of these platforms doesn't guarantee immediate profits. Your success in trading hinges on numerous factors, including market conditions, your chosen trading strategy, the amount of capital you invest, and your level of experience. Among the platforms available, Robinhood stands out for its commission-free trading and user-friendly interface, making it a great entry point for beginners. Webull offers more advanced charting tools and extended trading hours, appealing to those who seek a more active trading experience. Fidelity and Charles Schwab provide robust research tools and customer support, making them ideal for both long-term investors and active traders. For those interested in global markets, Interactive Brokers, IBKR Lite, offers low-cost trading options, while E-Trade balances beginner-friendly features with advanced trading tools. If cryptocurrency is your focus, Binance US and Kraken are excellent choices, providing access to a wide range of digital assets. While many of these platforms allow for quick registration and trading, achieving consistent profits requires preparation. Engaging in day trading or scalping can lead to rapid gains, but these strategies are fraught with risk, particularly for novices. A more measured approach, such as swing trading or long-term investing, may yield better results over time. Ultimately, the key to successful trading lies in education and understanding the markets. Start small, consider practicing with demo accounts when available, and always be aware of the inherent risks involved. With the right knowledge and strategy, you can navigate this dynamic landscape more effectively.